Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be reviewing the Lange Rejuvenate Keratin Recovery Treatment Spray, and we'll find out if it works or not. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to do a review of another Lange product. Today we are going to review the Lange Rejuvenate. It's a keratin recovery treatment spray. Let me hold it up. So I actually got this product for free. I just had to pay the shipping on it. There was a special promo from Lange that they were giving away bottles of this. It's just a 2-ounce bottle, but it is like a rinse out keratin treatment. So I'll read the directions. It says, apply to section towel dried hair, lift each section and apply 1 to 2 sprays, gently massage until you're able to feel the silkiness of the product on your hair. You can leave the treatment on for up to 12 minutes and then rinse, and it says it can be done every 2 weeks. However, it says you can use once per week depending on your level of damage and how frequently you wash your hair. So obviously my hair is not naturally blonde, as you can see. So I do have overly treated hair and it is kind of dry. I don't know if you can see. There, that's a good place to see. Like, it is definitely damaged from all of the bleaching, especially more at the bottom, like, because my hair was dyed really dark for so long. I used to have black hair and then like really dark brown hair. My natural color is kind of a medium brown. It's hard to tell, like it looks really, really dark against my roots. But I don't know if you can see, like from like here down, it's a little bit darker. Like obviously up here, it's a lot more blonde. So this is what, like from here on up, this is what has grown since I stopped dyeing it black and started dyeing it blonde. So this is way less damaged up here, just because it didn't have to go over like the hair that was already color processed. So like this, down here, it's definitely a lot worse looking, just because this was so dark and then we had to like lift it from black to blonde. So anyways, I'm gonna give this keratin treatment a try. I've had actual real keratin treatments in the salon. They always do a really nice job on my hair and they make it smoother and they make it really straight usually. I don't know if this is gonna do that. It doesn't say it's gonna do that, but it does say that it's going to noticeably improve my hair. It says, the lightweight rinsed out keratin is designed to revive over-processed hair, which is what I have. Use as directed, color-treated and heat-damaged hair will enjoy increased elasticity, luster, and strength, recommended for all hair types. So the only thing I don't like about this is just like the fact that I have to wash my hair, towel dry it, then spray this on, then leave it on. That's a lot of work, but I'm gonna try it and review it for you guys, so if you know if it's worth your time. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I did use the product. I followed the directions on the bottle. So basically it said to section your hair into sections and then spray 1 to 2 sprays per section. So I just went ahead and I sectioned my hair, kind of like started at the bottom and then slowly let down layer by layer. But even from here, I did like even split this up into like 2 different sides, kind of like that. And then I sprayed 2 sprays. Like I tried to spray 1 spray higher on my hair and then 1 spray a little bit lower. So there was 2 sprays per section. And then it says to massage the product into your hair and you'll start to feel like a silky feeling. You do definitely feel the product on your hair. So like I said, I went through section by section and did that. And then from there it said to wait up to 12 minutes and then rinse the product out of your hair. So I did wait the full 12 minutes. The only thing that I wish I would have done differently, when I originally washed my hair, I only washed my hair, I didn't condition it. And I think if I conditioned it, I would have noticed a bigger difference, just because it would have been easier to section, first of all. And then second of all, I think like the deep conditioner, which I normally use, plus this product would have worked together nicely. Regardless though, I'll let you guys see. I do think that there is a difference. Like, my hair feels really soft right now. And like I said, like, you can never buy a product and expect like a total miracle, but you should see like some of what the product claims to do. That's usually when I'm looking for a product and trying something out for the first time. Like, if it says it's going to make some kind of difference in the first application, then I expect it to do so. And this actually did. So I am pretty impressed with the product. And then I'm wondering, as I continue to use it, it says you can use it every 2 weeks. I'm wondering, as I continue to use it, maybe I'll even see even better results. So like I said, this is a 2-ounce bottle, which you might think is pretty small. It's like the size of my hand. But like, when I hold this product up to the light, like, I can see where I used it, and it's only about to right here. And I do have pretty thick hair, like, it's only like medium in length, but it is pretty thick. So this bottle should last, I would say, probably a few months, which isn't bad. Anyways, I will drop the link for this product in the description, and if anybody has any questions, comments, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will get back to you if there's any questions that I didn't cover here. But as always, guys, if you like my content, please like this video and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will be with you again soon. Bye.